Okay, we're going to take a look at a Zippo today. And if you don't know it already, Zippo makes quite a few skull design lighters. There's a few of them. But let's take a look at the new one I just got. Now this one came in the cardboard sleeve, and it says simply skull. It did come in the normal Zippo black box. And if you don't know by now, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 little kind of gray dots on there, and they stand for the chimney, the Zippo chimney. And here is a new skull, and that is on a fluorescent orange case. Of course, this is a genuine Zippo lighter made in the USA in Bradford, PA. 16701. Nice fluorescent orange. That's a sticker on there. And this one looks like it was made in right about, looks like M, no, it's K of 16. So it's a pretty new design, and you can see the good stampings on this one. Zippo, Bradford, PA, made in USA. It's got a really good sound. Lights up nice, and that has a steel insert. And you can see the chimney holes like are on the box. 8 holes on the chimney, just like on the box. So that is a quick look at the fluorescent orange skull. Kind of a colorful Zippo. It's another skull. They make a lot of skulls, and this is a pretty good one. Let's do a lighted drop test, see if it'll stay lit from a couple of feet. It's about 2 feet. So it stayed lit. I'm going to try once more. So that survived a double drop test. Stayed lit. It's a pretty nice design. It's a fluorescent orange, multicolored skull. And it's a Zippo, and it's made in the USA. And that, I do believe, deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.